Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you the latest construction update straight from Barcelona's Spotify Camp Nou. Despite the cloudy skies and a bit of rain, progress continues at an impressive pace. From the north goal to the upper levels and parking areas, every corner of the new stadium is showing fresh movement and transformation. So let's take a detailed walk around the site and see what's new this week. We begin our tour at the North Goal, one of the most visually dynamic areas of the entire stadium. Here, the installation of ceramic panels, the famous Blaugrana colors of FC Barcelona, is advancing beautifully. Panels in different shades of blue, red, and lilac are being aligned one by one, adding life and identity to the structure. This is one of the most symbolic stages of construction, because it brings back the visual soul of Camp Nou that fans around the world recognize instantly. From the drone's eye view, you can already see sections glowing with color even under the gray skies. A stunning contrast against the steel and concrete. Moving to the lateral area, near the main parking section, activity remains high. Large concrete panels are being fitted into place, forming the outer frame of what will soon become the stadium's new parking levels. From above, it's clear that the shape of the multi-level parking structure is now almost complete. Workers are focused on sealing joints and preparing the roof slab for waterproofing. Meanwhile, trucks come and go non-stop, delivering fresh materials and rebar. It's a busy, noisy zone. But that's exactly what progress sounds like. Higher up, the third tier continues to grow steadily. Teams are working on reinforcing the upper beams and connecting them with the future roof structure. The massive circular shape of the stadium is now fully defined, and you can sense the enormous. It's worth noting that the roof will include a state-of-the-art drainage and acoustic system, along with solar panels to make the Camp Nou one of the most sustainable stadiums in Europe. Even in this weather, workers push forward, welding, lifting steel elements, and preparing sections for the next concrete pour. Now we move down to the Gol Sur, where work has been constant over the past few days. Even with the light drizzle, crews are on site, adjusting steel supports and preparing the structure for the next phase of concrete pouring. The shape of this entire section is now clearly visible, and from a distance, you can already imagine how the new stands will look once completed. Everyone on site is talking about the upcoming festival, the next big concrete pouring event that will take place in the coming days. It's a major milestone for the project, requiring coordination between dozens of trucks and teams. Once completed, it will mark another giant step toward finishing the structural phase of the stadium. The weather in Barcelona hasn't made things easy this week. A mix of sun and rain has covered the city, but that hasn't slowed progress. Under the cloudy sky, the cranes move continuously, lifting steel beams while workers below adjust measurements and clean water off surfaces. The atmosphere feels determined, a reminder that this project isn't just about building a stadium, but about rebuilding a symbol of passion and identity for millions of fans worldwide. And that wraps up this week's update from the Spotify Camp Nou. From the colorful panels of the North Goal to the rising structure of the South, and from the busy parking zones to the upcoming festival, every day brings the club one step closer to returning home. If you enjoyed this tour and want to stay updated on every stage of the Camp Nou's transformation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. And as always, Visca el Barça.